loves the dog park. She's so cute. Oh, what are you doing, babies? What are you doing? This one's so prancy. I love it. Sadie, are you gonna drive? Are you gonna drive? Matt just popped into the store real quick. Okay, I'll let you drive. Ooh, we making cocktails. Fancy white Russian. Like this. Look at my little sweet girl. He's so cute. So I highly recommend this. It's like a Kahlua, but way better. Doesn't have that fake sweetness. Oh my gosh, so good. We made a couple cocktails with it tonight. Highly recommend. You know what time it is. What do we got? What is that? Oh, sailboat. This is definitely the best way to be woken up. I'm at Whole Foods right now. I just did a bunch of present wrapping and laundry and cleaning up and setting up for another dinner party because tomorrow we're having my family over for like a fun little fancy dinner, and I'm going to the store to grab some stuff real quick, and then I'm heading over to my friend's house because it's her birthday and she's doing a little champagne and cupcakes party. Should be fun. Look how cute my friend is. She is just adorable. Shams and cupcakes. Okay, baby. Oh, you're gonna get right there. Okay. We had my family over for dinner last night, and it's also my grandma's birthday this week, so we celebrated that. We made a beef Wellington. Oh my gosh, it was so good. But I just finished the dishes, and I'm now relaxing on my little like heat massage pad. Oh my gosh, it's like head to toe. I got a different one in the beginning of quarantine. It was a little bit smaller, and I used it so much that it just stopped working, so I got an upgrade. It is the best thing in the entire world. So I'm relaxing, and Matt made me an eggnog cocktail, and I have the tree, and I have the flight attendant, and I can't wait to start this. Good morning. I have to do the little tree right now, and I just want to say that my like little hairstyle today was definitely inspired by watching The Flight Attendant, because Kayla Kyoko's hair is so freaking cute. It's like this like messy bun thing, and then it's like a messy ponytail, and I'm like, oh my gosh, and she has like things that hang in the front, and her bangs are a little bit shorter than mine. Mine are a little bit longer, but I'm just trying to make it work. And then I threw in some extensions upside down, which lets you put your hair in a ponytail without your extensions feeling weird, because I just wanted like a little bit more volume up here. So it's just kind of like a half up, half down messy bun situation, and I'm loving it. Okay, I think I missed showing you a couple. I did a couple the other night with my dad and my brother because they grew up with us too. So yeah, I did that on that night. We're missing yesterday's, so we got a little lighthouse, and aw, I think that's a little ginger man. It is. So when I'm not doing things in the office to organize for upcoming events that hopefully will happen in the future, I am here. And I try to help out where I can. And so today I am a safety ambassador for the day. So there was a guy wandering around the course, clearly off his rocker. Must have had some, illegal substances going on, that's what I'll say. And at one point he said he was with his friends who were golfing. Another point he said that he thought he was at a park and he could just play with the ducks. And I was like, sorry, you're gonna have to leave. He's like, I came in through that hole over there. I'm like, well, you're gonna have to leave through that hole too. Sorry. I felt bad. Those are some of the birds he was talking about, but gosh. Oh, there's more. There's more. I just finished my workout. I got my little baby here. Today is Megan Trainer at Body by Trainer on Instagram. It's her birthday today. And so she just did a fun little workout and a nice little speech after it. She's always so motivational. So it's going to be a good day. So I was doing Christmas stuff all day, getting things that I hadn't gotten yet, and it's Christmas time, so we're making a cocktail. Matt and I just made a bomb filet with some really tasty sides and a really good like gravy sauce, and now I'm gonna do an Amaro cocktail. I looked up Christmas cocktails, and this is one of the ones that popped up, and I had all the ingredients, including this. It goes into a lot of tiki cocktails, and we're super into tiki cocktails right now, so we're just gonna make this. And this right here is a fast way to chill your glasses. You add ice and water, or soda water is even better. It chills it faster for some reason. Let's do this. topping it with a little candy pecan and just a little sprig of rosemary. If you like whiskey, if you like Amaro, this is a tasty treat. Update on the Bella Brow Pencil from As Seen on TV that I got at Walmart. Still using it, however, I feel like it's drying out super fast, like too fast. I need to find something else like it that lasts longer and has more product in it, because I really like the idea of it and I like what it's doing, but I just feel like this isn't worth the money, even though it wasn't that much money. But still, you know what I mean? I need to find something better. I'm going to find it and I'll let you know. I had an aha moment today, didn't I, Sadie? I was wearing this scarf today. And then I got home and for some reason I was like, I feel like Sadie would look adorable in this scarf. I don't know why I didn't think of this sooner. I'm going to put all my infinity scarves on my dog. Like, look how cute she is. Sadie, up. Oh, girl. On a side note, I went and picked up our Christmas card that I'm going to send out. I'm so excited. I designed them myself. And then I went to print them out. And not a lot of places let you upload your own design, just like a blank back and front, like let me stick a picture on it, except for Walmart. So I ordered through Walmart yesterday and they were ready by 10 a.m. today. Like such speedy service. And I'm so excited. Ooh, the coconut shrimp just dinged. It's from Trader Joe's. If you've never had it, I highly recommend it. If you like coconut shrimp, it's a really good appetizer. Then serve it with a little sweet chili sauce. Yum. I made semi-homemade pizza tonight. I used the Pillsbury thin crust dough. Let me tell you, if you haven't tried that crust, it's like the best pizza crust in the whole entire world. I'm not even joking. And then I have my little faux Papa John's garlic sauce that I make. Ooh, it's so good. I tried a little TikTok recipe today with a low-carb tortilla, a couple of eggs, green peppers, red roasted bell pepper that I had, and some goat cheese. So hopefully it's tasty. I paired it with some bacon. Just a little update. That was delicious. Oh my goodness, we are a little bit behind. I don't think I've ever been this behind. Okay, 15's okay. We gotta do the 16. Cocoa powder to this one. So tasty. Coming to you live from my new iPhone 12. Merry Christmas to me. And really, it's only because my iPhone X decided to go crazy. A couple weeks ago, the facial recognition stopped working, which I thought was weird. So I was going to take it in, how it looked at. And then yesterday, this bright light started appearing, which, you know, that's real cool. Granted, it did act as a really good selfie light, but, you know, things aren't right when it looks like that. And then today, this fading of color, did you see it move? Sometimes it moves up and down. Started, so I'm like, this isn't good. And then when I turn the phone off, it's very, very hard to get it back on again. It goes to black screen. You can touch and you can hear things, but you can't see anything. So we had to make a change, and that change happened today. Oh, where's the button? Oh, there it is. Gotta turn the tree on in the morning. I just love it. It's so pretty. I got some packages yesterday, so I have to wrap those, but I turned on Netflix. I'm going to watch Tiny Pretty Things. Have you been watching it? A little bit of a murder mystery. I think it's a fun little show. And then I got these little booties at Costco yesterday. They're like non-slip and they're just so cute. And they can like fold down and they have little fur right here. It's a little hard to see. Where's the light? They got fur right here. Excuse Sadie's dog toys and my heated massage chair. They're so fun. And they came in a different color too. Came in these as well, so super fun for the mountains, and they're very comfortable. I am back on the game, doing it right. Little snowman, heck yeah. So I just had to go to the post office, and right next door is this cute little shop. It is absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it, and knowing that it's here. It's cute, and they do flowers too. Matt made some cinnamon rolls this morning. I did my workout first, so now I'm gonna have one because I earned it. Let's heat this bad boy up and put some icing on it. Okay, now that's the cinnamon roll. And if you're curious about what kind of cinnamon roll, it was the Annie's homegrown. I got these at Costco. It comes in a 3-pack. Super tasty. I'm exporting a video while eating a poke bowl that just got delivered and watching a ridiculous Christmas movie. So technically, I am done wrapping gifts. But Matt does have a gift for his boss. So he asked me if I could be creative. And I said, can I be creative? Are you kidding me? Of course I can. So we're being creative. So my original idea is close to what I'm doing now, but it has changed. My original idea, I was going to wrap the whole thing, including the little flaps, with wrapping paper. And so the flaps would flap down and the two sides would come together. I was going to hole punch it down and kind of shoelace with string, ribbon, whatever, shoelace the thing together so you'd have to undo it and open it up to the gift, which I thought was cool. But then I started building it and I'm like, ooh, what if I keep the sides up? So that's what I'm doing here. And what I'm doing is I folded this side and this side first, leaving this hanging off. And then I just trim and then I'm folding over and tucking and then taping. So it's what I did on each of these corners right here. And on a side note, for these sides I'm folding in, I'm taking this bottom part and kind of accordioning it up. And it makes for a really nice, like, seamless situation. Okay, and here's what we ended up with. It's kind of an open box situation, almost like a bag. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. It is a bag. It is a bag. Hello. I thought it was just kind of fun. It took a little bit of time. I wouldn't do this for every gift you're doing, but if it's a special gift, it's kind of fun. So I just hole punched the sides and I took one long piece of string and I put it through here first, tucked it back in, crossed over to the other hole, tucked it out, tucked it in, and then brought it together and tied it. And then my tie is right here and I just cut it. So I kind of tried to put it as close to this like hidden area. And that is how I did my handle. So I'm at the Verizon store. As you know, I had to get a new phone. And to get the new phone though, I had to turn in a replacement for my broken phone that had to be delivered. But my broken phone wasn't going to make it to the delivery, so they gave me a new phone first and said, whenever you get the replacement, just bring it on in and you'll get all the discounts we talked about. And I'm like, great. So that came today, which was so fast. And so I sent my old broken phone UPS and I turned in the new phone right now and I'm on the 12 as we speak. And so now I have no phone issues. I can be worry-free and just be excited about my new phone. Also, on a side note, I wasn't planning on going anywhere today. So I was just in lounge clothes and I did not do my makeup, and then the phone got delivered and I was like, I should probably turn that in as fast as possible. So I did a little quick get ready. I did like my 5-minute get ready that I have 1,000 classes on, and I also just only did mascara today and it feels so weird. Like I'm not used to not wearing lashes, but it's kind of refreshing. I got ready in literally 5 minutes and I did all I needed to do, and now I can go home and relax. So tonight I'm making butter squash ravioli. I made this about a month ago, and I froze this other half and defrosted it today. And I'm making the same sauce I made last time because, oh man, it was so good. It's on my TikTok as a recipe. It is maple cream sauce, and it is the best thing ever. And yes, I am referring back to my own recipe to make this. Just saying. So I started watching this probably a year or two ago, and I only got 2 episodes in and I completely forgot about it. So I am watching it now, and gosh, I can't believe I didn't finish it. But really, I just wanted to show you what Sadie likes to do. She is a girl who likes to climb underneath the blanket and like lay in between my legs. She is so funny. Aren't you a funny girl? I can't stop laughing. Oh my gosh, she's such a funny girl. Is anyone else's dog like this? She loves to be under the blanket. And this is where we're at right now. What a cutie. I feel like those go together. So this little tortilla breakfast thing I've been doing lately with like the eggs not scrambled, just whole inside. I've done that twice now. And the yolk, I just got to figure out a way for the yolk not to cook so much. So I thought, oh, maybe I'll make it a little quiche. So that's what I did today. And I'm kind of excited about it. Happy Christmas Eve. I am about to head to work. It's my last day of work before I'm off for Christmas. And I wanted to show me a fun little outfit. So clearly I have a little hat on. I have a little Christmas sweater, need a cold one. And then just, you know, I threw some leopard in. I just really felt like it needed it. And I love it. So I'm excited about my outfit today. And I just wanted to share. And this will probably be the last day that I vlog before Christmas. So Merry Christmas, happy holidays. And I hope that this new year is good for all of us, to be honest. I think we could all use a good new year. But we have to do the tree. So, oh, look at the little ducky. And if you're curious about what the last one is, I'll let you know a little secret. It's always the same one every year. I make it the star because I want the top of the tree to be the last thing I put on every year. Well, I can't leave you hanging with this table decor. I don't think I let you see the flowers, and the flowers are amazing. And so I put table numbers on the table to represent the packages. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I also added the white chair covers, which is supposed to come on this package. They just didn't deliver them that day. But aren't these flowers just the best in the whole entire world? Like, they're magical, right? So beautiful, and I love this. Like, come on, how fun is this? And then we have the cocktail tables, and he did cute little arrangements for that too. And then our bakery let me borrow a fake cake, and I just think it's so cute and perfect. Like, it just matches what we're going for. And I actually found this little guy in one of the closets, and I'm like, oh, perfect, it looks so cute. I really just kind of pulled the table together. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I hope you've enjoyed kind of watching me create this. I know I enjoyed it, and I just had to let you see the finished product.